Pirate Punch, guys. That's what this is. Pirate Punch. I love the way it looks. It look potent. Okay, ice in our glass. So we building in this mason jar. This is a big mason jar. So we start off with some rum. Come behind that rum with some coconut rum. Ooh, double rum, double rum. Then follow that with some triple sec. All right. Some creme de bananas. This drink on the sweeter side, okay? Some pineapple juice. Yes, sir. I like the color. Then some orange juice is real tropical. Stir, 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 stir. Now we get more ice in there. Come behind with a little grenadine, and that can give you a nice little sunset looking bottom. And then we come over the top with Myers. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Look at that Myers up top. That's a nice mix right there. When you stir this up, this can be good. Put in a little paper straw. Save the turtles. Stay tipsy, friends. Stay tipsy.